Hi friends, welcome to my channel Papia Vlogs. So friends, today's video is very special and close to my heart because this is an announcement which I'm gonna make, and I'm very glad and proud to announce today. So I would request you to go through the entire video and please send your best wishes, blessings in the comment section. And also I would request you to share your own new ideas and suggestions. I would be glad to receive them. So friends, as we all know, change is constant. The only thing in this world which is constant is change. And very gladly we should accept the changes in life, because without changes we cannot grow. So in a way, I have also reached in that phase of my life where I have to embrace this change wholeheartedly. So you must be wanting to know what is the announcement which I am going to make today. So friends, with a deep breath, I'm happy to announce today that I'm starting my own startup, small scale, you can say, business which is close to my heart, which I would treat like my own little child. Because when I was in my school days, I did a graduation plus small diploma and certificate courses in embroidery, that is in hand embroidery and machine embroidery, and you can say that I am a certified embroidery practitioner. So as you all know, by profession I am a HR and recruitment professional, because I did my MBA in human resource development. But now embroidery, this is a skill which is close to my heart. This is my passion. So you can say I am a karigar by passion and HR recruitment professional by profession. So since embroidery is close to my heart, I want to pursue this as my favorite, you can't say pastime, almost like I would give a lot ample amount of time, and I want to grow this business, but this would be possible only with your support. So I am, first of all, I want to gladly tell you that I got my first order also, first client. Though the amount is auspicious, where it's not very big, but very big for me deep down in my heart. And I am glad that the first client is from my Soka Gakkai Buddhism. She's a member. She's my, you can say, we both are practitioners. I am part of BSG Bharat Soka Gakkai Buddhism, Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism. So those who know about it can comment. Those who are in Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism practice, please let me know in the comment section. I would glad to connect with you. Apart from that, anyone who wants to connect with me can connect in the Instagram ID, and I will also provide my email ID in the description box, and I will provide my WhatsApp number and Insta ID in the screen also. So if you want to place any order, please do not delay and give me an opportunity to show my skills to you. I would be gladly happy to send you my work in my own hands with lot of love and blessings in it. So I'm a little bit getting emotional, but I'm very happy that I could start finally. I would like to pursue this passion of mine for the rest of my life. But this won't be possible, friends, without your support, without your motivation and guidance. So that's all. Please do subscribe to my channel Papia Vlogs. I would be coming up with new videos on how I do my embroidery work. I will give you the know-how, what all stitches which are trendy, because you must have seen if you go and buy embroidery dresses nowadays, embroidery kurti or any dresses is very costly in the market. So the same embroidery, I do it at a very low cost, because I don't have any overhead expenses like electricity cost if I have a shop setup. I'm doing it from my own home, own place, without any overhead expenses. So friends, now as you see that embroidery dresses are very much in demand and in trend. It has come back, and the dresses, embroidered dresses are very costly. The dresses made of pure silk or even cotton or high grade malmal cotton, everything is quite costly. Which you can get it in the market from the ready-made thing, but you would get it in a very high cost. But same kind of finishing you can get it from me at a very low cost. The reason being, if you buy it online or from shop, there are overhead expenses which the shopper would try to get it from you. Like if it is online, courier charges and their karigar charges, right? Even in shop, overhead expenses like the rent of the store or the people who are working, the karigars, etc. Here the benefit which you would be getting, why low cost? Because I don't have any overhead expenses. I do it from my home. at a very low cost, and do it passionately with my whole heart, because this is my passion. So here you would be saving cost, because I don't have to pay any overhead expenses or any karigar cost. I do it myself by my own hands, because as I said that this is my passion and I want to pursue it seriously in the days to come. But again, that won't be possible without your support, blessings and cooperation. So friends, do give me an order at the WhatsApp number which is flashing in the screen. Please do connect with me in the Instagram. I would be glad to connect with you, and you can even email me. But I'm reachable quickly at WhatsApp, because as you know, we all check WhatsApp quite instantly as compared to email or Insta. So this was the small announcement which I had to make today. So that's all for now, and looking forward for your blessings and cooperation and orders placed in the WhatsApp. Please feel free to connect with me. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. Let's get connected in the days to come. Bye bye.